Welcome, young achievers. If you ever doubted yourself, felt nervous before exam, or wondered if there is a real way to program your mind for success, this video is just for you. Today, let's dive into one of the most powerful ideas from the book Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell March. Stay with me because what you discover in this book could change not just your exam, but your entire life. What if I told you that your brain is like a guided missile programmed for success or failure, and you have the power to choose which way it goes? In the next 5 minutes, you will learn a simple technique that could transform your exam results, your confidence, and even your life. If you are preparing a competitive exam like JEE or NEET and feeling the pressure, frustration, or self doubt, this message is for you. Stay till the end to unlock a proven scientific method used by world achievers that rewires your self-image and helps you perform at your best even under the stress. Dr. Maxwell March, a plastic surgeon by profession, saw people change their faces through surgery but still feel lost or unhappy. He discovered the real secret is inside your self-image. The way you see yourself, whatever image you hold, your brain, which March called the success mechanism, acts like a computer guided every action to make this image a reality. Think of it like a Google map for your goals. If you type, I'm a failure or math is not for me, your brain will direct your path that way. But if you say, I am confident, I can do this, your inner mechanism starts steering you towards the success. Why do top athletes, CEOs, or legends like Sachin Tendulkar visualize victories before winning? Because they understand their mind must believe in success before their body can achieve it. Napoleon Bonaparte imagined himself as a leader for years before he really became a leader. Henry Kaiser pictured building great companies in his mind before he actually did it. Your self-image defines your potential. Let's do this together. Here is the exact psycho-cybernetics method you can use every day for your exam and in life. Step 1. Set your goal clearly. Say to yourself, your dream. Crack JEE or NEET with a top rank. Imagine you have already achieved it. Feel the excitement, relief, and pride. Step number 2. Quiet visualization. Sit daily for 10 to 15 minutes in a silent place. Close your eyes. Picture yourself entering in the exam hall with confidence. See yourself solving tough problems, finishing on time, being relaxed and focused. Imagine celebrating the results with your family and friends. Step number 3. Emotional engagement. Feel the happiness and gratitude as if it is happening now. The more vivid your picture and emotion, the stronger your brain will work towards it. Number 4. Ignore past mistakes. Like a missile, your brain corrects its path when you make errors. Treat your mistakes as a feedback, not evidence of failure. After every test, focus on what you did right and forget what you didn't work for you. Step 5. Use affirmations and positivity. Every morning, affirm, I am confident, I am capable, and I am ready to success. Say this multiple times. Smile, even if it feels hard. Positivity is a skill you build, not a mood to wait for. Step 6. Daily actions and routines. Break big goals into daily achievable tasks. Revise some chapter, solve a few questions. Track the progress, celebrate small wins. Stay around supportive people and avoid negativity. Have you ever noticed your performance improve after imagining yourself succeeding? Comment below if this has happened to you. Let's inspire each other. If you find this message is empowering, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get more scientific, inspiring strategies to help you in exam, career, and life every week. Share this video with your friends preparing for exams. Together, we grow stronger. Now, you know the secret. Your brain is a success mission waiting for the right input. The question is, will you use this today? Don't just listen. Practice the visualization tonight before bed. Picture your success in the exam so clearly you can hear your name announced as the winner. Remember, the path to IITs or AIMs starts first in your mind. Now, go start winning from within. Thank you very much.